Okay, my name is Andy Salem. I'm the CEO.
My name is Mark Salem. I'm in the auto repair business for just over 40 years.
And I'm also the full-time babysitter of all the men here at Salem Boys Auto.
At the shop, we can fix anything except the crack of dawn and a broken heart.
We do all types of auto repair, and we're a family-owned and operated business in Tempe, Arizona.
We do from oil changes all the way to big truck conversions, diesel trucks. We raise cars, we lower them, so we work pretty much on everything.
We use Chevron products. We buy engine oil, transmission oil, gear oil, all in bulk.
So no matter whether it's in the engine, the transmission, the differential, if it's wheel bearing grease, if it's chassis lube, everything we buy is from you. We were changing our relationship with the vendor that we had had for 20 years. We wanted to update our oil room. We wanted new tanks, we had some old ones. We wanted new pumps, we wanted new hoses, and we wanted 2 new roof reels. So we did everything we wanted to do. You provided us the tanks that we wanted, the Alamite pumps that we wanted, the hoses and the reels, you did everything. Then you came in and you branded all the reels so that we know exactly when we pull it down that it's what we pulled down to put in the car. So that was all perfect. Now, I paid you for that equipment and I owned the equipment before that. So we're not married and I don't have to do business with you, but I want to do business with you.
We choose to do business with Senergy because it's seamless. From the beginning, from ordering to any questions with accounting, products, delivery drivers, everybody. It's just a seamless process. We have one person that's a go-to person.
I want a professional relationship, and that's what I get from you guys.
Other oil vendors, you have a lot of turnover, a lot of changes. The biggest key for us is just our relationship that we've built with our rep. There's no problems, there's no issues, everything is just easy.
Yeah, I can buy cheaper oil, but how am I going to explain that to my customers? I'm pretty proud to pour a good quality oil and have signage on all my reels. I'm pretty proud of that. People expect that I'm not going to cut corners. So the tires, the batteries, the belts, the hoses, the parts we sell are exactly the parts that Andy gets put on her car, and my mother and my father. When it comes to the value of the parts we sell, that's kind of important to us. Whether they like it or not, or whether they even know it or not, me and my family do.